Let's see how I make over $400 this week without taking high risk with a trading robot, and how you can achieve the same result without risking your account. This is a $7,000 account I deposited right a few weeks ago, and currently so far this week, this is this week trade history. Today it's weekend and this is this week, right? So far this week it makes over $482 with 0.37 lot size on each open position, and a trade NZD, USD gold, and let's see how the pair it trade. What the trade modes is gold, NZD, and AUD USD. This how is able to come out with over $400 on my account, $7,000 account this week without any risks, and normal tingle trading is involved here. Let's also check this other account, right? This is another $200 account I deposited, right? $200 account. Let's allow you to open. Let's check this other account, right? Let's allow you to finish loading. Okay, right, let's see so far this week, right? This week it makes on the $200 account, it make over $45 in one trading week with 0.01 lot, 0.01 lot. These are all the open position, right? 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01, 0.01. You can see the loss amount and the win amount, man. The consistency is massive. Let's check so far for the last 2 weeks on the $200 account, right? It makes over $111 without taking high risks at all. This is the only system we all need to win, and if you stay with me to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can gain access to this for free, right? How you can gain access to this. Let's trade and make some money together. This is how we come up on about 2-3 trading weeks, right? It come out with over 100% and above, right? Let's also check this other account here. This is another account with $150 deposit. This is another account with $150 deposit. Let's see, we just make a tiny withdrawal today. Let's see so far last week, this week so far, it makes about $25 so far this week. $25 so far this week on a tiny, right? On a tiny $150 account. Yeah, and let's see for the past 3 weeks how much it makes on a $150 account. It makes over $96, right? And if you pay attention to this, all the lot sizes with 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01 lot, all the way down NZ, USD, and gold. You can see this other trade. You can see this trade here that is also on other account, right? And this is how we're able to come up with about $90-something. So how about you with huge amount of money? So let's go to our Dupe Prime back office to check the mark drawdown. If you come to Dupe Prime here, this is where you can see the details of the robot, right? On Dupe Prime leadership platform, you're going to see let's allow you to load. All right, you're going to see AVU community robot, and let's see the mark drawdown so far. This is the account. This is the account that connects to this account here. This particular $200 account is what connects to this, right? This particular account is what connects to this. The balance is at $351, right? You can see this $351, right? Equity $351, and so far, it makes about 53% profit in about 2 weeks. The best part is the max drawdown, about 14.88% drawdown. This is like 100% risk-free trading. This is 100% risk-free trading. Imagine you having what it takes to achieve this every trading day. So that was how we were able to come out with over 53% of our account this week with a max drawdown of 14% without taking a risk. This is like 100% risk-free trading, and this is what we are up to this year. There's no room for us blowing our account to gain on trading. Our community robot is here to make everything simple. So for you to gain access to this, kindly check the video description. You will see a link which will automatically take you to our Telegram channel to join. At the same time, reach out to our meme. Let's get connected and make money this year consistently in the forex market. If you are in with us, click on the link. Let's go and make some money together.